Hello, everybody. Today I have something excited for you. So I'm sitting down with the amazing team behind Umal Bro and Beauty, well-known beauty salon in Glenfield, North Shore. They have taken beauty business to the next level with their mobile beauty services and business, bringing luxury treatment right to your doorstep. So let's welcome our first guest, Sukhpreet from You Mile Bro and Beauty. Please in.
Hello.
Hi, Sukhpreet. Can you please introduce yourself to our lovely audience?
Yes, hello. My name is Sukhpreet. I'm in the industry from last 3 years, not very long. I started my business with Mobile Beauty Spa in 2022, beginning of the 2022. And then since that time, I'm associated with this industry, trying to bring the wellness to customers' life, especially for who cannot go out of their house for any reason, whether it's a new mom, any incident or accident happen, or elderlies in a retirement village.
Yeah.
So we are the one who's trying to reach out to them.
Oh, wow.
And then last year in August, we decided to have our own place where all our beauty therapists can be in a one place.
Yeah.
Where they have a station where they can pick their stuff and then go from here. And as well as we really thought that Glenfield, North Shore need a beauty salon. There are many out there in Henderson, many out there in the south, but North Shore definitely needed one. So here we are.
Oh, wow.
And from 1st of August, we're running it very beautifully. Loving the response from our customers, loving their testimonials, their reviews. That's what drives us.
Oh, that's
Yes.
amazing. Personally, I
Thank
love
you.
the vibe.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, and that's the whole motive.
Yeah.
So the place has to be like, we come to the salons to get groomed,
Yes.
and if the place is somewhere which is inviting you,
yes.
because us ladies, us women, we have so much to do in our personal lives.
Yes.
Kids, husband, work, whatnot.
Absolutely.
And if you have a one reason to go out,
Yes.
and that place is inviting where you get relaxed,
Yeah.
there's nothing better than that.
Absolutely.
So that's the whole idea of this.
Oh,
Yes.
it's so good.
Yeah.
So good.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
You are doing so well, Sukhpreet, and I
Thank you.
really, really love that.
Thank you.
Okay, so tell me about the U Miles. How did you choose that name for your clinic? So is there any meaning behind that?
Yes, absolutely. So, me and my husband, we came in this country in 2010. This country has given us a lot. Never find ourselves that we are immigrants and we didn't get equal opportunity. Never ever felt that way. People like Kiwis, if we talk about, they are so humble. We're doing business for them.
Yes.
Therefore, I wanted to have something which dedicated back to them. So,
Yeah.
Umile word means humble.
Oh.
And this is our dedication to the Kiwis here, just giving back to the community. And that's the whole idea of me having the mobile, and especially reaching out to there's a lot many people in the retirement villages
Yeah.
who cannot go out
Yeah.
and do things.
Yeah.
So we can reach out to them.
So
Every woman needs pampering and beauty, regardless what age and where they are.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, yeah. It's so inspiring, and
thank
there's a lot of things to learn from you.
Oh no,
I didn't
just
know
went.
that. Like, it's such a beautiful meaning behind this name.
Thank you.
Oh my God, thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
All right. So, Preet, can you please tell us about your services, what you offer in Umile and also in your mobile beauty therapy?
Yes, absolutely. So we do basically brows,
Right.
brow henna, brow tinting, anything to do with enhance your brows, because
Yeah.
brows is one thing we all need to define.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So brows, then we do the lashes. We don't do extension.
Yeah.
We do the lash lifting,
Yeah.
and then we do waxing.
Right.
Well, I find out, especially in the North Shore, there's a hardly places where we do the waxing treatment. So
Yeah.
here in the salon, we do the waxing treatments,
Wow.
full body, face. Then we do the massage, and especially we do some of the facials.
Right.
And our facials are for more onto the wellness and looking after the skin deep down rather than cosmetic.
Yes.
So we our approach is more wellness and holistic approach
Yes.
rather than cosmetic.
Oh wow.
Because I personally believe in looking after my skin, whether it's like exfoliation, whether
Yes.
it's moisturizing, or more natural way rather
Yes.
than me going in cosmetic.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I mean,
so good.
I mean, people who are doing
Yeah.
that's absolutely fine. But that's my personal approach.
And this is what you bring in your
Yes,
clinic as well,
absolutely.
offering the same thing,
Absolutely.
but you really want.
Yes.
Absolutely. It makes a big difference when
Yes.
you have your beliefs.
Yes. Yes.
And when you are doing it by yourself,
Yes.
then only you can
Yes.
offer it to
Absolutely.
your clients
Yes,
as
yeah.
well. Right?
So and
Oh my
then when we talk about wellness, then
Yeah.
that just comes in the
Oh,
place. Yeah.
right.
We knew from the day one that what products we need to bring.
Yeah.
Yes, I needed to bring something which is New Zealand made.
Yeah.
Because then again promoting the New Zealand brands.
Yeah.
And then something we believe in,
Yeah.
something we are confident of giving it to the customers.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, if we are recommending to someone,
Yeah.
then they know where it comes from.
Yeah.
So it's not about, okay, the brand, they're not buying it directly from the brand, they're
Yes.
buying it from us. So
Yes.
we have to have 100% confidence.
Absolutely.
And we had that confidence in Kathy's.
Yeah.
So
Oh, thank
we've
you.
been using those products, and
Yeah.
we knew that this is the product we need to keep. So in the wellness and organic range, we have only Kathy's.
Oh,
And when we say it's made in New Zealand, that's a big trust.
it's big
Big
trust.
trust.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is.
And it's just go out there,
Yeah.
and we get such a good reviews from customers.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And then facial, who you won't believe, there was one customer whose face was full of acne,
Right.
and that's the real story.
Okay.
And then
I love to hear
Yeah.
that. I love stories.
yeah, and then we recommend her facial. We designed the acne facial, but we use all the products from the Kathy's.
Wow.
We done that first sitting.
Yeah.
Didn't do the exfoliation,
Yes.
but we focus on more on the deep cleansing and the steam,
Steam, yeah.
so that her pores can be cleaned up.
Yes.
And we done the next sitting for her after between 3 to 4th week. When she came in, when she walked in, I was surprised to see her.
Wow.
She's been using those products at home,
Right.
and then she's a regular now. She's doing it every month. And
Wow.
her canvas, I call my face a canvas.
Wow.
Her canvas is clean, like, and she's loving it.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So when you have customer coming back, then your trust build up.
Build up.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
And this is what we love to hear the stories
Yeah.
from our clients, like
Yeah.
how you are feeling about the products, how your clients are feeling about the
Yes.
products. So that
Yeah.
that makes us proud
Yeah.
and feel like, oh yeah, we are associated with really a great brand.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely, 100%.
Oh my god, thank you for sharing
You're
that.
welcome.
So here I know that you love Kathy Organic
Yes.
because that was my next question. I was
Okay.
about to ask you.
See, I gave you the answer in advance.
Right.
Yeah.
So you love working with us? How
Yes,
was
absolutely.
our services, about our services and everything?
Yeah, I mean, I think before we launched it, we've been associating with you. We
Yeah.
had a meeting in a cafe because
Yes.
we didn't have a place.
Yes,
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, and then you coming in before launching us, especially you helped us setting things up.
Oh, thank you.
So that people who stood with you in your foundation
Yes.
really means a lot for you when you grow up,
Yes,
because you
absolutely.
remember those people, you
Mm.
remember that relation.
Yes.
And then every time it's you're a message away. We
Yeah.
just message you, can you send it? We need it
Yeah.
urgently.
Yeah.
Then you just do your efforts.
Yes.
Yeah. To
I
try
tried.
and deliver it.
Okay,
Yeah. So that's the one thing. You never find out yourself that it will be out of stock. If something we got out of stock, we tell customer,
Yeah.
it will be come tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh,
So
yeah.
that is the trust, and that's the assurity we have behind the brand.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
yeah. And you and always, looking forward to see a personality who's out there.
Oh
who,
my gosh,
Yeah.
it's a big, big compliment for me, and thank you so much.
No,
Thank
thank
you. Thank you so much for kind words, and it feels me proud, and I try to do more and
Yes.
more. Like it gives me the encouragement
Yes.
to do more.
Yes, no,
So,
absolutely, absolutely. Like we all in a one team.
Yes,
we
absolutely.
want people to look after themselves.
Yeah,
Look after their skin.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we are behind the one agenda. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's like when you start working with someone, what I believe on, it becomes family too.
Yes, absolutely.
So
Yeah.
it's like when you are in a good time, you are in a bad time, I'm with you.
Yes,
So this
yes.
is like what I believe on. It's not about only the Kathy Organics
Yes.
that we have to work on
Yes,
that level.
yes.
But sometimes I feel like, oh, if you need me, I'm here.
Yeah, it's beyond that. Yeah.
Beyond that.
Because we are part of each other's success.
Absolutely.
If we are doing well,
Yeah.
then contribution goes to you. If you are developing new products, which is problem solving products,
Yes. Yeah.
then that helping us.
Mm.
So it's like hand on hand.
Absolutely.
And if we all know that the end agenda is to give the satisfaction to our customer and giving the solution of their problem,
Yeah.
we all happy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So good. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, any favorite product from Kathy Organics?
My personal favorite is exfoliant.
Oh, exfoliant.
Yes,
Skin
yeah,
brightening.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's my favorite products. Favorite because I've been using it on myself.
Yeah.
I use it twice a week at least.
Yeah.
If I get a time, I'll use 3 times as well.
Right.
And then I know in the professional range we have the same product as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
When you start doing the facial to the customer,
Yeah.
you have to touch customer skin.
Yes. Yeah.
You can touch it and you can feel
feel the
that
smooth.
yeah.
Yeah.
No. When we start the facial,
Yeah.
then once you touch, you feel that it needs to be exfoliant.
Yes.
And when you use a product, then
Mhm.
customer knows there is something happening.
Yeah.
That a walnut.
Shell powder.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the magic, I guess.
Yeah.
So you rub it around the nose, you rub it under the chin,
Yeah.
and once you wash this out, customer can't see, but we can see
You
under
can
the
see,
light.
yes.
Their skin is shining
Shining,
because
yeah.
their dead skin been removed.
Yeah.
That is my
Your favorite.
go-to product. Yeah.
Oh, that's so
And that's
good.
because I believe in that so much.
Yeah.
I always tell customer to whom if I sell it, then I tell them how to use it.
Yeah.
I always tell them to keep that one product into the shower.
Yeah.
Do not keep it in with your skincare routine.
Yes.
If is it in the shower,
Yeah.
right next to your face wash,
Yes.
you know that you
That
can
you have to use it.
I just tell them you can skip the face wash on that day.
Yeah.
Maybe directly use
Use
it
it,
and
yeah.
rinse it,
Yeah.
so that you don't waste time. You don't have to do extra step,
Absolutely.
and then you're done.
Yeah. Absolutely.
But if you're not keeping it in your shower, you're keeping it in your
Yeah.
vanity.
Yeah.
There are highly chance you're going to forget.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they forgot about the exfoliation,
Yeah.
which is key of our skin
Absolutely.
routine.
Yeah.
And because I personally know that even in my friend circle, whenever I have a chat about the
Yeah.
exfoliation, oh no, I'm not regular with the exfoliation.
No.
So this kind of a thing,
No.
it makes a big difference
Yeah.
if you tell your customer
Yeah.
how to do that.
It's surprising to know sometimes customer use so expensive products,
Yeah.
but they don't do exfoliate.
Yes.
What is the point if your skin is not clear?
Yeah.
No matter how many products you are pasting on your skin,
Absolutely.
they're gonna be on the top surface.
Yeah.
They're never gonna go down.
No.
So you can use, any product, but if it's an exfoliant, it's going to go deep down in
deep
your
down.
skin.
Yeah.
So that's the whole idea.
Yeah. So it's good for the product penetration itself as well.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
whenever
Yeah.
we use any serum, oils, moisturizer, they're only gonna
Yes.
work when your pores are clean.
Clean. Yeah. So that's the one thing.
Well, good. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. All right. So my last question is about beauty tips. So would you like to share any beauty tips with our lovely audience?
Yeah. So we see all type of skin.
Yeah.
Like us therapists has a different. We all see the different skin
Yeah.
type.
Yeah.
One thing I learned
Mm-hmm.
is moisturizing.
Yeah.
the more moisturizer you use in a day,
Yeah.
better your skin going to be.
Yes.
You can achieve a baby skin
Yeah.
if you have a good moisturizer on your
On the
skin.
skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't let you dry. So what I normally have, this is how I explain to my customers. A, if you're not drinking enough water. B, if you're not using good moisturizer.
Yeah.
Let's suppose if you have a dough at home
Mm.
and you don't cover that dough with anything.
Yeah.
After an hour, you will see crack on that.
Absolutely.
So those wrinkles, those cracks are because of you are dehydrated.
Yes.
A, inside.
Yeah.
B, outside.
Outside.
Drink water
Yeah.
and apply good moisturizer.
Mm.
You will not get cracks. If you will not get cracks, you will. Look, I mean, wrinkles, lines has to come,
Yeah.
but we can delay them.
Delay that.
And I
Yes.
think doing this product, that product, it's all secondary.
Yeah.
Drinking water and moisturizer itself
Itself.
can
Yeah.
help you a lot.
Absolutely. It's
Yeah.
such a beautiful example.
Thank you.
You have explained it
Yeah.
away. Like taking a draw and you
Yeah.
can see,
Yeah.
oh my
Yeah.
gosh, our skin is like that as
Yes.
well. So
Yes,
this is what you
absolutely.
have to care
Yeah.
for your skin.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is so good.
Thank you.
That's how it is.
Yeah. Keep drinking, and
Keep
moisturizer. There was
Yes.
a one lady I done. I was doing just a massage, only scalp
Yeah,
massage, and
yeah.
I saw her skin, and she said she is 39. She's an influencer, by the way.
Yeah.
I did not know her,
Okay.
that she's influencer.
Right.
But when she told that she's 39 and she have 2 kids, it was amazed for
Wow.
me. And then I asked her for the reason, and she said moisturizer.
Yeah.
She used moisturizer at least 3 times a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's the key.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And another thing is sunscreen as well.
Sunscreen is important.
Yeah, it is very
Yeah.
important.
Especially when sunscreen gives you the age. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
All good. Thank you so much,
Thank
Supreet,
you
for
so
your
much.
time today and such a beautiful chat.
Thank
And
you.
I hope our lovely audience also enjoy this.
Hope so.
So many things to learn from you.
Oh,
you,
thank
you are
you.
such an inspiration for everybody.
Thank
and
you.
you're inspiring so many women out there.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You came in here. That means
Oh,
a
my
lot.
pleasure.
Yeah.
It was from long time. I
Yes.
was waiting for this day, and finally the day has come, and we
Thank
had
you.
a really good conversation.
Thank you.
And I'm very, very thankful to you
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Yes.
today.
All good.
Right. So here is another guest from UMile as well. So she's lovely, Nisha. Hi, Nisha.
Hi, my name is Nisha, and I'm in the beauty industry from 10 years. And I just started on my beauty from last year in December.
Wow.
And over here, I'm doing as a beautician role as well. So it's a really good salon and good vibes. So whenever I'm doing or come here for my job, I feels really good because
Yeah.
of the customers are really good as well, and the atmosphere. And I know the Cathy product as well from the last 4 years. Previous I used
Yeah.
to be work, so they
Yeah.
used to do the Cathy products as well, and it's really good products.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and over here I see the good reviews. Our client they use regularly. Even
Yeah.
I do personally use the Cathy products.
Yeah.
And
Right. So do you have any favorite of yours?
I use personally the brightening cleanser
Yeah.
and ultra skin lightening cream.
Yeah.
And one is the oil, argan oil. It's
Argan
really
oil.
good. Yeah.
All right. So that's your favorite.
Yeah.
So what do you love about those products?
It's really good. After like I use the ultra skin light, my skin looks very good. I
Yeah.
used to be with the pigmentation, but it's get lighter.
All right.
But you need to use every day.
Every day.
I use twice a day.
Okay.
Twice a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you,
so
Nisha,
much.
for
Thank
sharing.
you.
And if you guys are in Glenfield, in
Yeah.
the Glenfield Mall in North Shore, come and see the lovely team of UMile.